Welcome to aminacademy.com. In questions how, why, what. In that, let us do these questions. How does rain form? Why the raining is in season? What are our feeling while raining? Rain is a part of the continuous water cycle on earth. Sunlight warms the water on the surface of the earth at the start of the cycle. The water evaporates or turns into water vapor as a result of the heat. The air is filled with water vapor. The water vapor condenses back into droplets of water when it cools. Condensation is a process that causes droplets to form around dust and other particles. Numerous of these droplets join together to produce clouds. In a cloud, smaller water droplets combine to generate larger drops of liquid. The drips eventually weigh too much to remain in the cloud. As rain, they fall in the earth. The water cycle then restarts. We hope we have been able to touch you something new about rain today. Now, further, the beauty of rain. Rain, with its gentle touch and rhythmic, really the rain is a beauty. Melody is a gift from nature, gift from our Creator that holds a captivating beauty. It brings with it a sense of freshness and rejuvenation, transforming the world into a spectacle of wonder. The beauty of rain lies not only in its physical manifestation but also the emotional and experience it evokes. One of the most enchanting aspects of rain is its ability to create a symphony of sounds. The patter of raindrops on rooftops and leaves, something rhythm it creates, provides a melodic backdrop that can climb and soothe the soul. It's a it's as an it's it is as of nature is composing a masterpiece for our ears in delighting. Rain also the power of transform the mundane into the magical. As it falls, it paints the landscape with vibrant hues, making colors appear more vivid and vibrant. The rain kissed flowers and glistering leaves and the shimmering streets reflects the world in a new light. Each droplet seems to carry a tiny universe within itself, reflecting the sounding world in a miniature masterpiece. Moreover, rain holds a unique power to air emotions within us. It has the ability to evoke a sense of nostalgia, talking us back to cherished memories and moments. The scent of rain, known as petrichor, can transform it to distant places and bring flood of emotions and memories. Rainfall often inspires introspections, introspection and a sense of tranquility, offering a sense backdrop for contemplation and self-reflection. Additionally, rain it plays a vital role in sustaining life on earth. It nourishes the soil, providing the essential hydration necessary for the growth of plants and crops. It replenishes lakes, rivers, and reservoirs, ensuring the continuity of ecosystems and supporting diverse form of life. Rain is a symbol of abundance and fertility, reminding us of the interconnectedness of all living beings. And conclusively, The beauty of rain lies in its ability to captivate our sense and evoke a range of emotion. Rain produces lot of poets, natural poets. Now we'll discuss about the detail about how the rain formed, why the raining is in season, what are our feeling while raining. Very interesting topics. The rain is formed when water droplets in clouds becomes too high, too heavy to stay suspended in air and fall into the ground. It's a cycle process. Water evaporates from oceans, lakes, and puddles, rising into the air as a pure water, pure vapor and water. Water, as water vapor rises into the upper atmosphere, it cools and condenses into water droplets. The water droplets grow in size through a process called coalescence, where droplets merge together. When the water droplets become too heavy, they fall to the ground as a rain. Other factors that can contribute to rain formation includes low pressure system have less air on top of them, causing the air to rise into the clouds and condense into rain. Cold is Cold air is denser than warm air, so when a cold front enters an area, it forces warm air into the clouds, where water vapor condenses into rain. In clouds that extend to altitude colder than 0 degrees Celsius, ice crystals can form and initiate precipitation. Raining seasons are caused by a number of factors, including the intertropical convergence zone, the intercontinental convergence zone (ITCZ). This band of clouds are and the thunderstorm moves around the globe and its position is affected by the changing position of the sun. When the ITCZ passes over an area, it can cause heavy rainfall. Some areas near the equator experiences two rainy seasons per year because the ITCZ passes over twice. Daytime heating. This can lead to thunderstorm activity within a moist air mass, causing rain in the late afternoon and early evening. Weather fronts. These are zones of temperature and moisture contrast where moisture moves. When there is enough moisture and upward motion, precipitation can fall from connective clouds. Upslope flow. In mountainous areas, moist air can condense and fall as rain along the sides of mountains. Evaporation. Warm water in the ocean evaporates, raising into the air and causing the wind to change direction. This can bring moisture towards land. It can condense and become rain. The term monsoon is often used to describe a rainy season that is associated with a wind shift. The beauty of the rainy season. Really, the rain is beauty. The beauty of the rainy season lies in its ability to rejuvenate nature, bringing lush greenery, vibrant flowers, a cool, refreshing atmosphere, and a sense of renewal with the pitter patter of raindrops, creating a calming and soothing ambience, essentially making it a time to appreciate the life-giving power of water and a cycle of nature. Key aspects of the beauty of the rainy season. Really, the rain is beauty. Rain nourishes plants, making them appear vibrant and lush, with leaves glistering and trees showcasing their full foliage. Blooming flowers. Really, flowers are beauty. Many flowers thrive during the rainy seasons, adding vibrant colors and sweet fragrance to the landscape. Cool water. The rain brings a welcome drop in temperature, providing relief from scorching summer heat. Sounds of rain is a gentle. The gentle pitter patter of raindrops on rooftops, leaves, wind, and windows create a calming and soothing soundscape. Water bodies revitalized, rivers, lakes, and ponds fill up with rainwater, creating a picturesque view. Sense of renewal. The rainy season symbolizes a fresh start, like nature coming back to the life after a dry spell. Peaceful atmosphere. The rain often brings a sense of tranquility and calmness, encouraging introspection and relaxation. The rainy seasons can evoke a loving mood for a number of reasons, including calming sound. The sound of rain is known as pink noise and can help to calm and filter out distractions. Really. Sense of connections. The rain's visual beauty, rhythmic sound, and clean smell can help people focus on the shared experience of being in the moment. Sense of privacy. Rain can provide a sense of secrecy and privacy even in public. Sense of nostalgia. Rainy days can evoke feelings of nostalgia and melancholy, such as remembering lost or first loves. Sense of healing. The rain can help people beat stress and transport them to another world. Sense of restorative. People have a natural desire to be in or around water as it feels restorative. Even some negative ions. The air contains more negative ions on a rainy days, which can improve the body's systems and create a calming effect. However, prolonged rain can also have some negative effect on mood, but it's easily go. The lack of sunlight can disrupt the natural circadian rhythm, which can lead to symptoms of depression sometimes. So far, we discussed about how rain formed, what's the beauty of raining, some other interesting factors. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.